Hi, I'm the Lazy Tech Man and you're watching AstroTube, and this is just a very quick review of a CNC spider for my Newtonian telescope that I bought from China. So I have a 10-inch Quattro, and in the UK I was looking at the prices of them, which I'll put on the screen there now. They're about 259 euros, which is about 235 pounds. I decided I'll try one from China, from this eBay shop, SKYOPTIKST, I don't know how the hell you pronounce that, and that was 143 pounds. So I thought I'd give that a try, and it arrived yesterday. So what I'll do is I'll just give you a quick overview and give my initial feedback on the quality. So let me just get rid of that page there. Okay, great. So here's the CNC spider itself. Quality wise, there don't seem to be any welds, so it looks like a single CNC piece. It's fairly lightweight, so I'm assuming it's aluminium that's been anodized. It comes with obviously your 3 screws. They're like Bob's Knobs type screws. And you'll notice on the central piece here there's lots of holes that they've tapped for different positions, which I quite like, because then it gives you a little bit more flexibility than the usual 3 screw holes. Quality wise, it seems to be very sturdy, well made, no obvious imperfections. So given that this is a 100 quid, nearly £100 cheaper, 140 pounds versus about 235, it's not that far off. £100 seems pretty good value. The other thing it came with, oddly enough, is a secondary holder if you want to use it. Now it's an odd one, this one, I've never seen these before. If you look at the secondary, it's got the push system that you'd normally expect from your azimuth on your mount to do the fine-tune rotation of the secondary mirror. I'm not sure how I feel if I'm going to use that. The one thing I do like is the 3 indented holes for the screws, so that basically when you put that in your scope, you know you're going to be very, very close to the correct rotation, kind of 45 degrees as it were, and then you can just like fine tune it. So it has that benefit, but I can imagine that trying to adjust these little screws on the inside of your scope might be a bit tricky. Quality wise, the only thing I found is when I tried putting these screws in initially, they were exceptionally tight, and I even gave myself a blister trying to put them in. So I think what's happened there is either the holes haven't been tapped properly, or when they've been anodizing it, some of that material from the anodizing process has got in there. I used a little bit of grease to help them get them through, and then once I kind of taken them in and out a couple of times, they did loosen up. So that was the only downside. But for £100 saving or £85 saving, then to be honest, I think it's probably worth it. Shipping time, it was about a week and a half, so you don't have to wait that long. So if anyone's interested, I'll be putting this in my scope over the next 2 or 3 weeks. The weather's not looking good, so obviously fine tuning it and getting it all set up might take a little while to test it, so I will feedback. If anyone's interested, just drop a comment below and let me know. All right, thanks for watching. Hopefully you find that useful. Catch you guys real soon. Bye bye now.